Hi guys, welcome back to my channel PassiveMoneyUniversity.com. Today I am gonna to show you FOMO app software review, and this software created by Johnny Rose, and this software goes live on 27th January 10 a.m. EST. I am gonna to show you a step by step about this software guys, FOMO app. So please keep patient and watch video until very end, because I will give you 2700 value of my bonus package of guys. These are exclusive bonuses not available anywhere else. This is the $2700 value of my bonuses guys, so please keep patient and watch video until very end. And this is the members area of the software FOMO app, how to works exactly and what is FOMO app. I'm going to show you guys, so please keep patient. So what is a FOMO app? This is my blog face guys. Here is the lots of article I put, and here is the all of the details I put about the software FOMO app. So what is FOMO app all about? FOMO app is a social proof marketing tool that helps entrepreneurs, product launchers and business gain credibility online and boost conversions on sales pages. Guys, a one-of-kind social notifications app. This is the one-of-a-kind social notification app that is able to increase your sales by up to 380% with 30 different widgets. This is the 30 different widgets. I'm just on the members area of this software guys. Here is the 30 different widget: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, at least 17 18 widgets available here. So 13 is the main different widget. So this product is going to give you something that every internet marketer dreams of, granted sales on autopilot. Until now, it seems that everything they tried required them to invest a large amounts of money to make it work. Often it don't work at all. That all changed when they found a missing link and turned into the FOMO app. Okay guys, imagine waking up and seeing this in your account, multiple payments from different campaigns and networks just by implementing this code by copy and pasting one line of code is just 2 minutes. You will increase your affiliate commissions. Complete beginners are using FOMO to make 100 a day with Warrior Plus, JBJ and ClickBank promotions. Boost your average order value. FOMO doesn't just make it easy for you to make your first sale, it encourages a repeat purchase and larger orders. Triple your conversions. Turn your landing pages into digital cash machines by boosting conversions by up to 380%. Guys, here's the lots of information I put about this software. Please click the link in my video description and check out all of the information, because this is the important information I put here. When you check all of the information, you will be very clear and you will be fully understand about this software FOMO app. And guys, this FOMO app, 3 simple steps to making 100 a day in minutes. Step number 1 is copy and paste. Easily integrate the pixel on any website with one line of code. Okay, here is the members area I'm going to show you guys, so please keep patient. And step number 2 is activate FOMO. One click launch a profit generating FOMO notification. Step number 3 is grow and profit. Start collecting payments and sales directly to your account today. Okay guys, this is the FOMO app features. This is the important part of this software. Easy setup. You can easy setup and integration on any website. Guys, this is the members area and here is the dashboard. I am just clicking the dashboard, and here is the install the script. I am just clicking the install the script, and I'm going to show you guys, so please keep patient. Here is the number 1 is install your pixel. This code you just copy and paste your funnels or your blog website, etc. And then test and check the results. Okay, and you will be able to create the campaign. Here is the just create the campaign. I'm just clicking the create the campaign, and here is the put your name and put your domain or your website, and then submit. Okay, and then submit, and your website is totally generating this type of pop-up, guys. I am just loading and quick scrolling up this sales page. This is a sales page, guys, and I'm going to show you the pop-up. Okay, where is the pop-up? Where is the pop-up? Okay, this type of pop-up you will be able to create of your website when you put this install code your website. Okay, I think you understand, and you will be able to this 14 type of 13 type of widget. Okay guys, you will be able to this 13 type of widget and easy setup and integration on any website. If you have Shopify website, WordPress website, Zapier, Squarespace, any type of website, you will be able to create this informational bar and images collecting bar and the coupon bar. Here this type of coupon bar and button bar, model collector, a module to collector, call to action, text feedback. When this is the coupon, guys, and when this type of pop-up you will be add to your website increase the lots of sales. This is the no tech skills required, everyone can do this. This is the FOMO facers, guys, and fuel your commissions in 2 minutes. FOMO app is a must have for every marketer. It takes 3 simple steps to triple conversions. Use FOMO app on 3 different websites. Show 1000 pop-up notifications in 30 days. Live counter pop-up notifications, countdown pop-up notifications, coupon pop-up notifications, and live counter pop-up notifications, review pop-up notifications, cookie pop-up notifications. I think you are understand about this FOMO app software, guys, and what FOMO app can do for you. Here's a lots of details I put. So guys, please click the link and check out all of this, because I have the very short time about the details of the FOMO app review. So please click the link and check out my blog page of FOMO app. What FOMO app can do for you: show coupon pop-up notifications. FOMO app can be placed on the top or bottom of the page. Simply coupon bar to give your visitors a nice coupon and increase conversions rate on your website or store. Show call to action pop-up notifications. Display widget notifying your visitors that you have just launched new product. You can install it on multiple websites and direct all the traffic to your launch or an offer your promote. This is a must-have widget for every serious marketers, and widget is the very important for every marketer, guys. So this is the very important can do for you, this FOMO app. So FOMO app frequently asked questions. I am here, the all of the question is here about this FOMO app. And is there a money back guarantee? Yes guys, 100% as stated in the 30 days money back guarantee of this FOMO app. So you have nothing to lose, guys. Please click the link and check out this FOMO app and check out all of my bonuses and grab my bonuses, 2700 value of my bonuses, and I highly recommend, because these all of my bonuses I personally use, guys. And watch the FOMO app a demo video. I put the demo video, it's 6 minutes 41 seconds. So when you watch the demo video, after you will very clear about the software FOMO app, because this demo is created the software owner Johnny Rose. Okay guys, and FOMO app bonus package, these bonuses is provided the product vendor, the software owner. Okay, the bonus number 1 is master Facebook ads, bonus number 2 is master Bing ads. So the value is $197, but you will get also free totally free, 100% free guys. And bonus number 2 is master Bing ads, value is $197. And bonus number 3 is solo ads my story, bonus number $197. And bonus number 4 is master Google ads, this bonus value is $197. Bonus number 5th is Instagram mastery, this bonus value is $197 guys. But these are my exclusive bonuses, not available anywhere else, and these bonuses special bonus for the passive money review audience. That means these all bonuses for you. You will get all the bonuses listed on the sales page guys. Here is the sales page. Sorry, this is the sales page guys. I am just introducing the sales page of a minute, so guys please keep patient. This is the sales page, and the easiest way to earn your first $1 online today. See how Eastern Cloud newbies are making 100 a day one autopilot in just 2 minutes with one coffee and paste a line of code. I'm just already described about this dashboard. Just copy your Figel code, install code, and create campaign and create your notifications, just like the coupon notifications, the email collecting notifications, and the offer notifications, and etc. This is the yellow button you just get access to FOMO app for now guys, and save 80% today if you act now, because this software goes live on 27th January. That means today this software is live now, and users, this is the big opportunity waiting for you guys, and you are 100% protected with 30-day money back refund policy guys. So what are you waiting for? You have got nothing to lose. This is the easy setup and integration on any website. I am just already described that you will be able to click funnels, group funnels, WordPress, Shopify, Builderall, all type of websites. You will be add this FOMO app software guys. Just 3 simple steps. And I'm just quick scrolling of this sales page. This is the Johnny Rose guys. This is the vendor of this software. From the desk of Johnny Rose, Harold Mondi and Sasha Lees, this software created. These 3 men. And imagine wake up and seeing this in your account, and multiple payments from different campaigns and networks just by implementing this code guys. This is the today $97 your affiliate commissions, yesterday $141 your affiliate commissions, this month is $2,000, and last month is $7,000. This is the 100% real, because I know that this is the Warrior Plus dashboard area. Okay guys, by copy and pasting online of code in just 2 minutes, you will get this type of earning every single day and increase your affiliate commissions using this software. Here's a lots of testimonial guys, so feel free to click the link, and there is also put the demo video here. I am just already saying that 6 minutes 41 seconds, and this software will give you 30-day refund policy guys. Show coupon pop-up notifications like here, like this guys, and 30% off limited. You will be able to create this type of coupon notifications, and you will be able to create the show call to action pop-up notifications. Okay, when you just launched your new product, just you will be able to the show call to action pop-up notifications. New products is available, just download for now. And there is the show notification pop-up, show information pop-up notifications flash sale, limited sale until tonight right now. Okay, and you will be able to create show review pop-up notifications. Okay, John Doe FOMO Ninja is a 5-star product. Okay, and show emoji feedback pop-up notifications. Do you like our website? An interactive way for your users to give you feedback about your website. This is the increasing your website value guys, and most times of spending your website, your visitors. Show conversions counter pop-up notifications. People bought the product, and show visitor counter pop-up notifications. Here I'm going to show you my bonus guys, so please keep patient. I'm just take you the 2 minutes. Okay, set up and create FOMO in under 2 minutes. Okay, here is the show new lead pop-up notification. Someone from England signed up the newsletter here. Okay, show cookie pop-up notifications here. show coupon bar notifications, show banner notifications, banner bar. So guys, please click the link in my video description and check out all of this. Show image notifications. This dashboard, you will be able to create these image notifications here, like this guys, and show social share notifications. Why is Pomo so different? Pomo is provided fast and result period. Okay, and Pomo, what can Pomo? Pomo works for anyone who wants to make money from online, digital marketers, affiliate marketers, beginners, freelancers, local consultants, e-commerce store owners. If you have e-commerce store, Shopify store, Etsy store, this software is for you. I highly recommend. Please grab this software with my exclusive bonuses guys, 2700 value of my bonus package, and these bonuses is provided the software owner of Johnny Rose. And this is I'm the end of this sales page guys. I'm gonna to show you this 30-day money bag guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Please click the link and check out my review blog page of Pomo Ninja. Here's a lots of details I put about this software Pomo Ninja, and also put all of my bonuses and all of the details here about every software. My number one bonus is website Prospero. Here's a lots of details I put guys about this software, how to use this and what is this software, how to work this software. Easily hide any content or banners within your website with just one easy click, and a lot of details. And bonus number 2 is email profits formula. I'm providing this excellent package that enables you to make the best use of email marketing and reach out to widely scattered messages without investing portion. Bonus number 3 is traffic masterclass on TikTok. You know TikTok is a trending and powerful free affiliate generating apps. So bonus number 4 is keyword research ninja 2.0. Keywords play a very important role in messing your website. And my bonus number 5 is traffic masterclass on Quora. My bonus number 6 is lead generation authority gold upgrade. My bonus number 7 is Facebook ad secrets. My bonus number 8 is WP email timer plus license. My bonus number 9 is hashtag trender. My bonus number 10 is social ultima all-in-one social media marketing tool. My bonus number 11 is BidHub video subscription membership platform. My bonus number 12 is backlink warrior software. My bonus number 13 is WP content pop-up pro. My bonus number 14 is WP video focus. My bonus number 15 is WP Instagram auto poster. My bonus number 16 is Facebook live search system. My bonus number 17 is 100 mobile web template. This is the important bonus for you guys, because you are a affiliate marketer or etc. And my bonus number 18 is tweet post. My bonus number 19 is MLM Pro. My bonus number 20 is Laura Mailer. My bonus number 20 fast is WordPress video robot plugin. My bonus number 22nd is WordPress automatic plugin. My bonus number 23rd is shortable video embed. My bonus number 24th is countdown. My bonus number 25th is 100 mobile ClickBank website templates. This is the most important guys. I highly recommend. What are you waiting for? You have got nothing to lose. Please click the link in my video description, because this software you will be able to free use of 30 days, because this is the 30 days money back guarantee. So I highly recommend grab this software. If you have not value, so you just refund this software about this 30 days. Okay, my 27th bonus is master pop-ups WP pop-up plugin for email subscription. My bonus number 28th is LinkedIn auto post machine multi-account license at white label. And just 2 simple steps to get these bonuses guys. Get Pomo app by clicking here to download it now, or throw on this phase. Your bonuses will be delivered inside your Warrior Plus, because this is the Warrior Plus product guys. Warrior Plus fastest dashboard. If you have any problem in receiving your bonuses, you can email us at bonuses@official@gmail.com. I will help you out. And here is the access your parses, here is the access your affiliate bonuses. This is the super easy system. And what are you waiting for? You have got nothing to lose. 30-day money back guarantee, guys. It is a great deal. Should you invest today? I hope you enjoy this video and you are fully understand about this software of FOMO app. I am just here is the sales page, guys. So please click the link in my video description and check out all of this, and like, comment and share my video with your friends or family, and stay safe, you guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.